Included in every large PA pack are two K&M speaker stands, two Turbo Sound IQ12 speakers, a microphone stand, a Shure microphone, a 12-channel audio mixer, and all the cable you'll need to get it all up and running. For the purposes of this demo, we'll only be setting up one speaker. You'll need to repeat the appropriate steps for the second speaker. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the speaker stands from the bag. Now hold the stand vertically and loosen the leg housing knob. This will allow you to open the legs. Press down on the leg housing to open the legs, making sure the main brace is parallel to the floor. This allows for maximum stability and safety. Once the legs are set, make sure to retighten the knob to lock the legs in place. Now go to the top of the stand and loosen the knob that holds the upper shaft. Push the lower button to release the clamp and raise the shaft until it's slightly over your head, or approximately 6 feet. Make sure the shaft clicks into place in one of the holes and retighten the knob. Unzip the speaker bag and remove the speaker. If you flip the speaker over, you'll notice two stand holes. Placing the speaker stand in the speaker hole closest to the front will give the speaker a slight downward angle. Placing it in the hole closest to the back will make it shoot straight. You're now ready to mount your speaker. With two people, it's easy to lift the speaker and mount it on the stand. If you find the speaker too heavy to lift, there's another way to do it. Simply lay the speaker stand and speaker down like this. Now insert the stand into the speaker. Now slowly lift the speaker until all three stand legs are touching the floor. Remove the mixer's power cable located in the front pocket of the mixer bag. Open the mixer bag, remove the console and place on table. Find the main AC power input at the rear of the console and insert the power cable. Place the 8-input power bar on the table and plug into wall using the provided extension cord if required. Before powering it up, we need to reset or zero the console. Make sure all the gain knobs are set to -20 or U, and the low cut switch is set in the up position. All the blue EQ knobs should be set to 12 o'clock or U. The mon or monitor knob and the effects knob should be rotated completely counterclockwise and be set in the infinity position. The pan knob should be set to 12 o'clock and the mute button should be set in the up position. All the faders should be pulled all the way down. All the faders on the main graphic EQ should be set to 0. The main mix monitor switch should be set in the up position. The EQ in bypass switch should also be in the up position. Turn on the power bar and plug in the console's power cable. Go to the rear of the console and flip the main power switch into the on position. The main power LED and the LCD numeric panel should now be illuminated. The power for the speaker is located in the side pouch of the speaker bag. You'll find the main AC input at the rear of the speaker. This is a PowerCon connector, so you'll need to line up the two nodes before inserting. Once the connector is inserted, turn clockwise to lock. To remove the connector, slide the silver latch towards you and turn counterclockwise. Plug one of the provided extension cords into the power bar and run it out to the powered speaker. Now plug the powered speaker's power cable into the extension cord. While facing the rear of the speaker, make sure that gain A and gain B are set to off. The mic line switch should be set to line. Now switch the power switch to the up or on position. At the rear of the IQ12, you'll find the control panel. Using the control panel, you can change some of the advanced settings of the IQ12. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll just be showing you how to return the IQ12 to its default settings. We start by hitting the Process button. This brings up 4 other menus. While on the Model menu, press either Enter or the Selection knob. Using the Selection knob, select IQ12 and press Enter. And then press Exit to return to the main menu. Scroll over to EQ and hit Enter. Make sure None is selected and hit Enter. Then hit Exit to return to the main menu. Scroll over to Crossover and hit Enter. If you intend to use the IQ12 with a subwoofer, like the IQ18B, select IQ18B from the menu. If you are not using a subwoofer, select None and hit Enter. Then hit Exit to return to the main menu. Now scroll over to FBQ or the Feedback Exterminator section and hit Enter. Select Reset and press Enter or the selection knob. Make sure all the selections are unchecked and hit Exit. Then hit Exit again to return to the startup screen. We can now move on with the rest of the setup. With an XLR or mic cable, go to the rear of the console and plug it in to the main left output. Take the other end of that cable and run it over to the rear of the speaker and plug it into line A. Both inputs on the back of the speaker are combination XLR mic cable and 1/4 inch. This means you can plug in both styles of connector, so don't be fooled. You can put an XLR into the back of this speaker. If you want to tidy up a bit, use the Velcro straps on the cables to secure them to the speaker stands. At this point, we are now ready to test. You'll find the mini to 1/4 inch cable in the front pocket of the mixer bag. Plug the mini 1/8 inch cable into an iPhone, iPad, or any other music playing device. Hit play on your favorite song and make sure the volume of the device is set to maximum. Go to channel 1112 and plug the other end of the cable into line in 11 and line in 12. Push the fader for channels 11, 12 and the main fader to U. Slowly turn the gain knob on channels 11, 12 until the meters reach 0. These meters show that you're getting good level coming out of the audio console. Go to the back of the speaker. The signal LED should be illuminated, showing that you're receiving signal. Slowly start turning up the Gain A knob. Since you've established good audio level coming out of the audio console, you will not have to turn up the Gain A knob very much before getting a lot of volume, so be very careful. Keep turning the volume up until you've reached the maximum volume you think you'll need for your application. Pull channels 11, 12's fader all the way down. Take a microphone cable and plug it into the mic input on channel 1. Make sure the low cut switch is in the down position. This helps remove any low frequency rumble or low frequency feedback. While speaking with a strong voice into the microphone, slowly turn up the gain knob until the level set LED starts to illuminate. This shows that you're getting good level coming into the audio console. Now slowly start turning up channel 1's fader until you start hearing some sound. Congratulations, you're ready to go. Have fun. For more video tutorials, please visit our website at www.mtav.ca, and thanks for watching.